Welcome to AgentAcademy.ai, your gateway to mastering autonomous agentic AI systems. In this video, we will explore how we bridge the technical literacy gap to deliver real enterprise value. What is agentic AI? It is the new standard of technology. Unlike basic chatbots, these agents operate with autonomous logic, are strictly goal-oriented for better outcomes, and feature systemic integration with existing software APIs. Our platform mission at AgentAcademy.ai, founded by Digital Workforce, is to move beyond simple chat interactions into deep technical automation logic. We focus on ROI, feasibility, and secure guardrails to ensure these systems are ready for professional environments. We offer a structured learning journey designed for your growth, from foundational knowledge in Level 1 and 2, which are free, to our specialized paid business analyst track and our upcoming developer track. Our Essentials course is a 2-hour intensive crash course. It covers the anatomy of an AI agent, essential communication flows, and practical industry demos. You can enroll for free today. Our strategy course focuses on closing the value gap. Many AI projects struggle with strategic alignment. This course helps you shift from personal productivity to achieving measurable enterprise ROI by spotting the right targets and scaling from proof of concept to production. For professionals, our Business Analyst track is a 10-hour certification. This program deep dives into feasibility frameworks, building functional proofs of concept, AI ethics, and change management for your teams. For the builders, our developer track is coming soon. This technical deep dive covers multi-agent architectures, cloud-based LLM integration, and how to use Python and API orchestrators for programmatic scaling. We believe in the power of verified credentials. Every course concludes with a formal assessment, and successful candidates receive shareable digital certificates verified by Digital Workforce, complete with LinkedIn integration to showcase your expertise. Why choose AgentAcademy.ai? We offer an expert legacy built by those who have deployed AI for major companies, and our curriculum is entirely role-based, ensuring the training is practical for your specific business or technical role. The efficiency gains are clear. Compared to manual processes or simple chatbots, Agentic AI significantly reduces time investment. Join us at AgentAcademy.ai and start mastering the future of automation today.